Hey, what's up guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing fine, and I'd like to welcome you all to the class number 4 for programmers in Python. Today guys, we're gonna learn how to edit this the axis x and y of the plot, because sometimes guys we just don't want to have these middle points here like 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, and actually we also want to have the lines correlated to the points of the plot. Okay, so today we're gonna learn how to do this, and how we start this. Actually we have one command for this, which is the plt.xticks. Okay, but this command will edit the axis, even though you have to tell Python that you want to edit the x line and plt.yticks to edit the actual y. Okay, we have the x line the points 1, 2, 3, and 4, so we want to erase these middle points here. So what we have to do is tell Python the points that we want: 1, 2, 3, and 4. When I run my file, I already have on the points that I told Python to plot here: 1, 2, 3, and 4. Actually, we want to do the points here in the y line. It's better to be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and it goes like this. So I'm gonna write here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11. And when I run my file, I have on the points that I told Python to plot here, from 1 to 11. So that's the main part of that class that I wanted to teach you guys. But what if you just don't want to put like numbers in here? What if you want to put like A, B, C, and D here? You have to tell Python that you want to use letters and not numbers in this point. So we're gonna create a new vector called x and tell Python the values here will be A, B, C, and D, right? So I told Python that I have a new vector in here called x, but if I run my file here, it didn't change anything. Why? Because I just created a new vector here. I did not tell Python that I wanted to put this vector inside my chart. And how do I tell Python? Putting this vector inside the command that I use to edit my axle. So I come over here with a comma and an x here. So I told Python that I want the vector x to be plotted in the x.text. Right in this moment I have A, B, C, and D in here. And to the y line it's the same. You just have to create a new vector called y, and I'm gonna create the points here. So I'm gonna create here, I'm just gonna copy this, put in here, that I have 6 points here and I only have 4 points here. So I'm gonna create 2 new points here. And don't forget, I have to tell Python that I want him to put this vector inside the plt.yticks. Telling Python this. There's another thing that I need to tell you guys. You don't need to do y or x to the x or to the y lines. Okay, if I want to call this vector a, I just need to come over here and tell Python that I want him to put the a vector here. Okay, this is the same. And if I want to this vector to be called b, I'm gonna put over here and put B here. And when I run my file, it is still the same. Okay, that's what I had to teach you guys to this class. I hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll be waiting for you for the next class.